Your job title probably won't change in the next 3 years, but what you actually do every day, that's about to look nothing like it does right now. And most people are preparing for the wrong version of the future. Hey, welcome back to AI in Your Life, the channel that cuts through the hype and shows you what AI actually means for your career, your money, and your day-to-day. You wonder how you were supposed to keep your job if a machine can do your main daily task 100 times faster. Your job hasn't disappeared. It has simply moved up the ladder. I'm going to show you exactly which parts of your job are quietly disappearing and, most importantly, how to make sure you're on the right side of that shift. When we look at the real world over the next 3 years, companies aren't going to rewrite your job title. If you are a marketing manager today, your card will still say marketing manager in 2026. If you are an underwriter, you will still be called an underwriter. But research from institutions like the World Economic Forum reveals exactly what is happening inside those roles. They found that roughly 40% of the core skills required to do your specific job are turning over within just a few years. The position itself is safe. What is vanishing are the daily, repetitive tasks you complete to fill that position. Let's start with what's fading out, not jobs, tasks. We are talking about the highly predictable, rules-based chores, the parts of your day where you follow a strict routine. That means writing standard reports, doing basic data entry, pulling numbers into a spreadsheet, or answering the same customer question repeatedly. If you can write down the exact steps, AI can do the first pass. But humans do not disappear. The only human who disappears is the one doing nothing but that repeatable task. The future belongs to the person who tells the AI what needs to be done and then fixes its mistakes. So here's the part you actually came for. What survives? There are 5 specific, deeply human skills that are suddenly becoming highly valuable. First is judgment. An AI can generate 10 different options for a project. It cannot tell you which of those options your specific client will actually accept. Knowing which answer is right, not just which answer is possible, is becoming the premium skill. Second is asking the right questions. Prompting a tool isn't about knowing code. The people who get the most out of AI aren't the most technical. They're the ones who can break a messy, real-world problem into a clear question. Third is relationship building. People don't sign million-dollar contracts with an algorithm, and patients don't want a screen delivering bad news. That layer of human trust is rare, which makes it incredibly expensive. You still have to greet the VIPs. Fourth is editing and verification. AI will give you an answer quickly, but it will sometimes be completely wrong. Domain experts who can spot a fake number or a bad assumption in 3 seconds are essential for quality control. Fifth is cross-domain thinking. AI is very deep, but very narrow. A human can look at a problem in logistics, realize it resembles a problem they solved in human resources 2 years ago, and connect the dots. That is your fusion cuisine. Basic, repetitive execution is becoming cheap. Human strategy, empathy, and judgment are the new premium currency in every industry. Let's put this on a timeline. In the next 12 months, expect AI tools to fully absorb those low-judgment, repetitive tasks. You will spend less time creating from scratch and more time reviewing. By 24 months, your actual job description will formally update. You will be explicitly expected to manage and direct AI tools as a core part of your daily routine. And at 36 months, we reach the real deadline. But the threat isn't a machine walking in and taking your desk. The actual threat is a coworker sitting right next to you. They have the same title and the same pay grade. But because they learned how to work alongside these tools, they are producing 3 times as much work as you are. Job security in this environment means outperforming your peers by mastering the exact tools they refuse to use. So here's your actual homework. 3 things, starting this week. First, pick exactly 1 repetitive chore, your personal version of chopping onions, and automate it with an AI tool. Just 1. Second, start paying attention to exactly why you make decisions. When you make a judgment call at work, document your reasoning. The reasons behind your decisions are becoming your most valuable asset. Third, practice reviewing. Get comfortable being the person who checks the AI's math instead of the person who hides from the technology. If this video just made you rethink your next performance review, good. If you want to keep learning how to run the kitchen, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down new AI survival guides every single week. See you in the next video.